Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys my favorite hair relaxed product. Like currently I changed some of the products I use for my relaxed hair, but wait, before we go on guys, as you can see, like this would be my second time relaxing this year. I tend to relax like twice in a year, so that would be every 6 months. So the first relaxer was in April or May. Then I relaxed this last week, and guys, my hair, like if you check the first video I posted on my relaxed hair and you're comparing it with this length right now, like guys, you can see the difference. I actually did a twist out. I didn't want to use a blow dryer. I didn't want to apply any heat, so I did a twist out. I just got the product and I'm like, okay, I should share it with you guys. I've been using them for a while though. So guys, if you would like to know more about those products, please keep watching. And before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button as well. You know this ministry must move forward. So yeah, let's get right into the business. So guys, the first product I'll be reviewing is the olive oil ORS creamy aloe shampoo. Yeah, this was my first shampoo for my relaxed hair when I transitioned from natural to relaxed, and it's quite moisturizing. Like it gives that moisture. You know, some shampoo they dry out your hair, but this actually doesn't. It helps to moisturize your hair even while you're washing out the dirt. So yeah, this is a go-to for relaxed hair. I would say this is a go-to. I like this and it smells nice. One thing about me, the first thing that attracts me to a product is the smell. If it doesn't smell nice, I cannot use it. So yeah, this, and then I got it together with the conditioner. I've almost finished it. I've almost exhausted it. So I got this two together, and yeah guys, this one smells like sweet. It's also moisturizing, replenishing conditioner. It helps to penetrate your hair, helps to increase moisture, repair damaged hair. This product, these two, they really work good, very well for me. And I want to use if your hair is soft, because I have a soft hair. So if I use my relaxer is usually regular. And then if your hair is quite soft, then I would recommend this for you. It's a good product. I'll be reviewing is this, the Megagrowth Daily Living Conditioner. Guys, this keep your hair moisturized. So because you know when it's dry, definitely it will lead to breakage, but this actually works where it strengthens your hair, as they say, and it detangles your. That's one of the importance of using a conditioner. It helps to detangle your hair, it helps to soften it and silken the hair. So when I got this, because I changed my relaxer to Megagrowth, so I got this with the deep conditioner. So these two, they're actually very nice. I use this daily if my hair is losing out, and I quite deep condition once in a month, while I use this whenever I want to wash my. If I'm not going to deep condition, I use this, but when I'm deep conditioning, I decide to mix this, and guys, it softens my hair instantly and helps to minimize breakage. Though I still experience like a little bit of breakage, so which I'm working on. Yeah, I'm working on it, and ever since I started using this product, like it has actually been able to like minimize it, because I deep condition my hair. I washed it again like the day first today, so I deep condition my hair. So that I'll just do it once in a month, while the normal conditioning, I'm going to losing my hair like every 2 weeks, I'll use the normal condition. But because I tend to wear wig, sometimes it might take a while for me to wash my hair. I'm not even gonna lie about that. So yeah, so if not, I use the regular, the ORS conditioner, and then I use the deep conditioner just once in a month. So yeah, the Megagrowth, I got the relaxer too, and then I got their growth oil. Guys, this is more like a sealant, you know, after you apply your leave-in conditioner. And then I use my shea butter too. Yeah, I use my shea butter. So what I do is whenever I want to apply moisture to my hair, I want to make it soft, I use the leave-in conditioner from Megagrowth. I applied my shea butter. This is my shea butter. I got this from the market, so I just put it inside this container. So I apply my shea butter, then I use the Megagrowth as a sealant. This is what I use final, like this is what I use last. But before I use this, I use my castor oil. This castor oil, I still use it like, let's say, twice in a week. But I use it on the scalp. You know, castor is very thick, so you don't want to like apply it. It won't weigh down your relaxed hair. Do you understand? So this I just apply on my scalp like 2 to 3 times in a week. It depends. I don't use it every day because it's quite thick, so I don't use this every day. So I put this on my scalp. Then this I use it as the sealant. This is why I apply last. This growth oil also is very good. It also helps to soothe your hair, protect your hair. And then yeah, if you want to blow dry your hair or you want to straighten your hair, you can actually use this first. It protects against heat damage, so it serves as a heat protectant. Yeah, so you can use this growth oil too. So yeah, those are my products I use for my relaxed hair right now: the ORS, the Megagrowth, the castor oil, and the shea butter. So those are the products I'm using right now. I don't use much, just that. And my hair, like you can see guys, I repeat again, if you see my initial video when I relaxed, was it early May? Yeah, in May, and you compare the length, now you can see the difference. Yeah guys, but later on I will try to like trim the ends, because I think I did not even bother to trim the ends before I transition in from natural into relax, but I will do that maybe my next relaxer. But right now, like ever since I started using I've seen the difference. Ever since I started using all these products, I've actually seen the difference. Like actually my hair, the breakage has really reduced. I'm still working on it, but yes guys, I'm enjoying this day. Before I relaxed, I was thinking, am I going to like it or should I cut my hair from natural? But then I'm enjoying this relaxed hair right now. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Once again, please, if you haven't subscribed, please, you know I will do this thing, click on the subscribe button right below, and also you can decide to share it. So thank you guys for watching today. See you in my next video.